Good morning to you lovely people. Well, ready for another adventure. Bike's all packed up. We've got 289 miles down to Plymouth. Helen's Africa twin there already, and this time we've got a guest with us. I've got my daughter Danielle coming on back. So it's been a few years since she was last on the bike. 6 years. She went down to the Picos last time, so she's doing the Pyrenees and the Picos with us this time. So there's about 11 of us going. A couple of lads went last night, stayed in hotels, and it's like 25 past 6 in the morning now, I think it is. Oh, it's 6:30, I'm late. I'm late for my mate, bloody hell. I said 6:30 on me too. But yeah, there's about 11 of us going, so a couple of lads have not been before. Mind you, I've not really done the Pyrenees myself. I've done the Picos to death, but not the Pyrenees, so I'm looking forward to this. So see you guys, as you can tell it's bin day. I'll see you guys down on the boat. Well, climbing aboard the old Pont of Ven. Thankfully it stopped bloody raining now. Yeah, it's been quite a wet ride down here today. It's just backed off now as we got here, thank you very much. It's sailing in about 35 minutes, so I'm hoping they don't get into the corners of the ship, because it takes bloody ages to get off. I'll get to the other side tomorrow. Going to Pamplona first, 150 miles. See what the weather's like, see what we do, a bit of motorway just to get out of Santander and take the A roads, the B roads. Ooh, looks like there's a lot of bikes already in, so hopefully, oh yes, I don't think they're going to go in the corner, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Right, good morning. Currently we've just left Pamplona. There wasn't really much interest in the roads that we went to through to Pamplona yesterday, so I didn't do any filming really, just bits and bobs. But today we're heading to a place in France, Argelès-Gazost. Sorry for my pronunciations, but it's about 5,500 feet high, this place, up in the Pyrenees somewhere, not far from Lourdes. So that's where we're going today. Got a load of twisties in front of us. We are on the N135 out of Pamplona. Had quite a decent stay in Pamplona last night, had some good food. Yeah, it was a good laugh, so yeah. Got, what's we got? 135 miles left or something like that. So, yeah, so far, so good. Been dry yesterday, looking dry today as well. Anyway, I'll just get on with riding this road. I've got my little door on the back as well, so I've got to be careful. Bloody hell! Crikey. Yeah, yeah. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Just bully your way through. Go on, bully your way through. Go on, there's hundreds of them behind otherwise. Right. Ah, drama. All part of the fun, eh? All part of the adventure. The old Citroen 2CV. CND staff car. Oh, yes. I think this is the best view we've had so far on the tour. We're going to have to get a picture, aren't we? Here we go again. Well, this is the view we're getting on the Col de Tourmalet at the moment, but I think we might be rising above this cloud again, because it is getting, vision is getting much better. We're crawling along there, cars with no bloody lights on. Yeah, I think we're going to be alright. We've got a mile to the top. See a nice cloud inversion. This is great, even at this pace it's just absolutely fantastic. Oh, there's the top. This is superb. Loving this, never done the Pyrenees before. Right, I'll switch it off until we get to the top. Just approaching the top of the Col de Tourmalet now. Another great cloud inversion. Into that. Guys are all here. Us having a fag. Sod that for a ball. I know that camera looks wobbly, but the stabilisation on it is absolutely brilliant. Come on, dead smooth that. It's rammed, isn't it? This is exactly the picture I had in my mind when I come here. I was disappointed when we set off in the clouds, but now we've rode through them. This is the view. It's a long way to come for a crap view if it's cloudy, but oh, there's a cycle. I think that says Col de Tourmalet, 2,115 metres. Here we are now at the top of the Tourmalet. Col de Tourmalet. 2,115 metres above sea level. If you get a chance, ride it or cycle it. You think, Danny? Cool, isn't it? Pretty cool. Let's go and get a coffee. What goes up must come down. Look at this. Stop and get a picture. Stop and get a picture of that. Right, Ellen. Well, good morning. This is, well, it's a petrol station in Jaca in Spain. Today we are heading to Miranda de Ebro, but we're going via the Bardenas Reale, which is like a semi-desert type of place. So yesterday we conquered the Col de Tourmalet, which is well worth a ride. Really good, well worth it. Yeah, it was a good day yesterday. Stayed pretty much mostly dry, and the next few days are going to be great temperatures. Tomorrow we head to the Picos de Europa. We're staying for 3 days so we can get rid of the luggage and that, instead of getting up every morning, packing your bags on the road, what have you. So yeah, so it's about 200 miles today. Looking forward to the Bardenas Reales. So we are now going into the Bardenas Reales, as I said, the semi-desert here, about 11 k's long. So that was a bit of a gravel track, I believe, and it's quite stunning. Awesome, absolutely awesome. It's pretty cool, that, isn't it? Yeah, stop here, mate. Yeah, absolutely stop. Have a break here, eh? Park somewhere suitable. We're here now in the Bardenas Reales, one of the semi-deserts in Spain. Never been before. A few of the lads have never ridden on like gravel track and stuff like that, but I wanted to take them here because we weren't that far away, and been absolutely brilliant. Been a great experience. One of the landmarks is this place here, this tower thing. I don't know what it's called. There is a name for it probably. But this. There's coaches over there and everyone's stopping off and having a nose in photographs. Yeah. Super. Finally we get into the Vega de Pa. But as you can see, or not see, not great today. Last time I was up here it was beautiful sunshine. can see a lovely long way. What a shame. Here we go. This is a little bit better now. Drop through the clouds. CA631, if anybody's interested. Vega de Pass. Yeah, Craig's the only one not on comms, like, so. Mind you, none of us can understand him. He's a proper broad Yorkshire lad for them Barnsley. Top bloke. Oh, morning from the Picos de Europa. Looks like we're going to have a cracking day ahead of us up there. Just is a little bit of drizzle just earlier on, and sun's burning through now. We've got a ride of about 214 miles. Thank you for that, Satnav. About 214 miles. Going up to the Stag. I've got a couple of other roads that we've not done before as well, which are lesser known. So we're going to go and try them out as well. There's a few of them staying back today. Helen and Danielle and Paul and one of the lads, Dave, is doing a little bit of work. So so they're staying back there. So I think there's only 7 of us, I think. So just going to go for coffee now and croissant in town, and then head on up over the moors, over the mountains even, over the mountains. One of the places we'll be staying is a place called Cayenne, or Cain de Valdion. Cayenne is supposed to be pronounced. So we're going up there as well because we like it up there. And 2 of the lads have not been to this area before, so I'm quite excited about taking them over there. I think they'll very much enjoy themselves today, the roads that we're doing. So, right, let's find this coffee shop. This road I'm on at the moment is the CA894. If you come out of Potters, a few miles, into a little town called La Viga, there's a left turn, CA894. This is it. I've not been up there before, up the Goats on Road. First time for me, but let's try it for a couple of years, and it's quite stunning actually. Quite stunning. It's a dead end road, so you'll have to spin round at the end obviously and come back. Childish, yes, I know. I know. Whoa, yes. Wary of bloody rocks drop down, little rocks that might just knock you. Steering off a bit. Van coming, lads, van coming. Yeah, beautiful. Car just on the N621 out of Potters, just about to reach the Stag. Gone through a bit of cloud. But that traction control's been kicking in quite a lot. Mind you, I've got it in rain mode, but I think the lads will enjoy this. Two of them haven't been up here before, so I'm pretty sure they will really enjoy it. Oh, fabulous, eh? What a view. What a view. Look at that. Traction control. Bloody hell. It was a bit damp though. It was a bit damp in places. What a view, eh? What a view. So recently there's been some massive wildfires around the Picos de Europa, and as you can see, all this land here is all scorched or burnt. Just come into it now. This is the first sign that we've seen on the other side of the San Glorio Pass, on the road to Riano or Riano. Oh yeah, about we were looking and it said something like 400,000 acres were burnt. Yeah, everywhere. There's still a slight smell of it in the air. And we're going back about 3 weeks now, I think, roughly. Oh, yeah, 400,000 acres is a fair old whack, isn't it, really? Just keep my eyes on the road. Oh, what's a rock on the ground? Rocks, little rocks there. Right, we are here, guys. Welcome to Caen de Valdillon. I've been on Coronation Street here with these cobbles. Round to the right. So, welcome to Caen, or Caen as it's pronounced, I believe. Caen de Valdillon. Little village in the middle of nowhere. One way in and one way out. But it's beautiful. As you can see from the mountains behind me. I believe there's a bit of a walk. You can walk a little bit further. I don't know how far, but you can walk. Could do with an haircut. Go down to the waterfall, little waterfall here. Get an ice cream as well. A bit coffeeed out. Well, that's the beautiful Caen, a lovely ice cream and a few photographs, and everyone's happy. Oh, it's even more dramatic coming this way. Morning. From a beautiful day in Potters, or just outside Potters, or Hido, right next to it. Bikes parked up there. Some of the guys are in the annex, which is over there on the other side of the field. 4 of us there, 6 of them over there. These are the apartments Alquitara. They're on booking.com. We stay here probably 90% of the time. Nice little covered pool up here. There's our apartments here. Buzz and Dave are up top there. They've got the better view, obviously. Helen there. Last full day in Potes today, or the Picos, I should say. Nice covered pool. There's no bar or anything here, but there's a barbecue area which we're going to use tonight. There you go. Yeah. Lovely. I like staying here. We're about 15-minute walk into town. Potes. Apartments. Oh god, it's a tip. I apologise. Kettle, fridge, freezer, shower and that round the corner there. Another bedroom there. TV, toaster. Yeah, spot on. Microwave. Right, let's get going. This is Tresviso. It's getting a little bit popular. There's never been this many bikes here before in the past. More bikes coming in, yeah. Yeah. There's a cafe restaurant down there. There's a cash point machine down there. There's another restaurant somewhere as well, yeah. We can't go any further here on bikes, so back round and get a drink. Heading up to the bear now on the San Glorio Pass. Which everybody visits. And on a day like today, mega views. It's alright mate, I'll wait behind you. I've ridden up there on CRFs. Up there, to there. Yeah. Yeah. No, to the left, up to the actual there. We rode up. So this is the way up to St Catherine's viewpoint. You've got to be careful, here's a tight hairpin. Very tight hairpin. Quite steep as well. Yeah, so just be aware. Lovely viewpoint this, looking down onto the canyon road. Just off that CA 282. It's right by the aerial mast there. Go. Okay, Danielle, jump off. I call it St Catherine's Lookout, but I don't really know its name. It's probably something a little bit different. Up here, Danielle. That's the Canyon Road. The Potters that way. Hola. There you go, guys. Whew, what do you think to that? I was just saying to me there was about 10 vultures flying below, but they've all disappeared. Mirador de Santa Catalina. Mirador de Santa Catalina. Just about to board the boat now, the ship. Running a bit late actually, it's gone 4 o'clock. It has, yeah, 1 minute past 4. We're supposed to have sailed at 4 o'clock, we're not too worried, I'm sure it'll make it up. But yeah, it's been an absolute blast, and any questions feel free to ask me. Give us a like and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Give us a thumbs down if you want to. Anyway, ride safe, take care, I'll see you on the next one.